Alright, love. Day 2 in Kona. You're still feeling a little sick, but that's okay. You're going to fight through it because it's gorgeous. This is where we're eating breakfast as we speak. The lava lounge up there, and this is Puahia, something up like that. Puahia. Puahia. But anyways, we're eating breakfast. We got coffees, juice, and full buffet. And this is how close we are to the ocean. I'm going to take you. There it is. Eating right on the beach. Incredibly. And that was the pool, the resort, ocean. And alright, just wanted to show you that. Have anything to say? Goodbye.